Have you received a foreclosure notice? Not sure what to do? Even if you're feeling hopeless, you should know that you still have options, but only if you act now. Hi, I'm Jim Kevney of Kevney Legal Group. One of our main areas of practice is helping people avoid foreclosure. Would you like to learn more? Let's talk about a few things you should do when you get a foreclosure notice. First, you need to be aware that you have a very limited amount of time to respond to a foreclosure lawsuit once you receive the summons and complaint. In New Jersey, you'll have just 35 days to file a written response. In Pennsylvania, that time is only 20 days. In both states, if you fail to file a response, you'll forfeit your right to make certain defenses. In other words, if you do not file a response with the court, everything in the bank's documents will be taken as true, even if there are mistakes or inaccurate information like the wrong amount owed on your account, payments that were not credited, or other inaccuracies. That's why it's critical to contact an experienced foreclosure defense attorney immediately. An attorney will be able to review the paperwork and determine whether there's any basis for a defense to the foreclosure, and they'll help you slow down or even prevent the foreclosure entirely. What if you've missed the time to respond? It's already gone by. What if you've gone ahead and filed a response on your own but failed to assert the proper defenses? The attorney still may be able to help you maximize the results of your case. In order to properly respond to the lawsuit, you'll need to gather all your financial records pertaining to the mortgage. This will include everything you signed when you closed on your house. It will also include any statements, notices from the bank, any changes of the bank servicing companies, things of that nature. These documents can form the basis of a valid defense in a foreclosure lawsuit, such as predatory lending, improper transfer of the note and mortgage, failure to properly credit payments, incorrectly charged interest, and many others. While this process may seem stressful, it's important not to panic. Too many people become overwhelmed and they shut down rather than asserting their rights. Many lose the opportunity to raise defenses that could have kept them in the home for many more months or even beaten the foreclosure action altogether. So, while the process may feel like a lot to handle, it's important to keep things in perspective. Don't allow the feelings of fear or stress to overwhelm you, and act coolly and calmly as you can. Finally, be prepared for a long fight. Fighting a foreclosure is rarely a short process. In fact, in many instances, a long fight is just what you want in order to be able to remain in the property for as long as possible and have as much time as possible to obtain the outcome that you desire. Have reasonable goals for your foreclosure defense and see them through to the end. Our firm helps people deal with foreclosure every day. We understand how difficult and stressful a foreclosure can be, and we would be happy to talk to you about it, answer your questions, and help you gain that peace of mind. You can give us a call at 1-800-219-0939 or email me at jim@kevneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Kevney. Thanks for your time. We look forward to speaking with you.